Hello viewers, my name is Dr. Vincent Ademola Adeyemi. I'm a Nigerian. I'm currently a postdoctoral researcher at the image processing laboratory of the IPN. I'm working with a principal investigator on a project titled The Use of Multiocular Vision for the Restoration of Images Degraded by Optical Dispersion. Looking at the two videos on the screen, on the left-hand side is the video of an aircraft trying to land, and also on the right-hand side, the video of a vehicle trying to navigate through a particular road, probably an autonomous vehicle. There is something that is common to these videos, and we can see, and the thing that is common with them is that there is poor visibility in the video. The video is very poor, and our work in this particular project is to improve the video. To improve the visibility so that the aircraft, for example, can land very well, and also the car navigating through the road can see very well and move on the road. So why is this project very important? The benefit is seen from the point of view of safety and security in areas where visibility is very important. Visibility in search and rescue operation, in road safety, aviation safety, in exploration, in maritime safety, in railway safety, and also societal security in terms of surveillance. Looking at the screen, we can see a scene object and also a camera trying to capture the scene object. And when everything is perfect, when there is no particle in the atmosphere, the light from the scene object travel directly to the camera, and the image is formed very well on the camera. Now, when there are particles in the atmosphere, it becomes very different, because the particles in the atmosphere will scatter the light coming from the scene object to the camera, and coupled with the fact that there is environmental light, this works together with the particle in the atmosphere to scatter the light coming from the scene objects, and which will make it to be poorly captured by the camera, and all this work together to form what we call AZ images. Some of the scientific contributions that we have made so far in the project include the following. We present a mathematical model, for the formation of AZ image using multiocular vision, and also we develop algorithm for the computation or the estimation of the depth map from stereo images, and also we derive some statistical estimators, to obtain parameters of AZ image model, and also we obtain some preliminary results. And on the next slide, we show the synthetic stereo images that we work on, a sequence of synthetic stereo images. We evaluate the results, and we restore them using our algorithm on the left hand side, and at the middle we have the images taken from the left and the right camera, and we look at the result, the restored images using our algorithm from synthetic stereo images. As you can see on the screen, on the right hand side there, the degraded images have been restored perfectly, as you can see. Here we have a real video. On the left hand side, we have the degraded video. As you can see, the hazy conditions on the screen on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we have obtained, we improved the visibility using our algorithm, and you can see that the video on the right hand side is very clear, is clearer than the left hand side, which means that the visibility has been improved, as you can see on the screen. Conclusion, we have seen that it is very difficult for a single camera to provide accurate information to obtain the depth map of images, and as a result we have applied in our project multi-camera, 2 cameras, to provide adequate information in order for us to be able to obtain an accurate depth map in order to restore the hazy images. And in the future, we will continue to work, we will continue to refine the models, we continue to improve our algorithm to restore multiocular images that have been degraded by optical dispersion. We have to evaluate our algorithm based on some performance evaluation, and we have to develop numerical algorithm and also carry out laboratory experiments in order to further validate the hypothesis of the project. And lastly, we have to make scientific publication in order to make our results known. Thank you very much for watching.